What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Mini RF1 charge package. As you can see, it comes with the case itself with a sleek suitcase design, along with 8 Mini RF1 wash lights with their own power cable and remote, and a main power cable to power the case to charge your lights. The case not only allows you to charge all of your lights at once, but it also allows you to easily transport, store, and protect your lights from gig to gig. So each light comes with its own RF remote that you can use to set the light to any color or mode. The RF technology allows you to control the light from up to 100 feet away, and you can even use just one remote to control all of your lights at once. If you want to learn more about how to use your Mini RF1 wash lights, including how to use them with a wireless DMX controller or how to set them up in different groups wirelessly, check out all of our how-to videos on that and much more. Now to charge all of your lights, we're going to take each power adapter here, plug the adapter end into the port on your light, then take the other end and plug it into the strip here on the side of the case. Once you have all of your lights plugged into the case, you're going to take the main power cable here, plug the female end into the side of the case, then plug the other end right into your power outlet. So now I can go ahead and flip the switch on the side of the case, and now you'll see the lights glowing on the power adapters, letting us know the lights are charging. Now another important note is that because these lights are so powerful, you'll want to leave the top of the case open when charging your lights so that they're getting proper ventilation. Also, a really cool thing is that if you're planning on not using all of your lights for your gig or event, you can use any of the open slots in the center of the case or any opening on the side of the case to carry other pieces of gear with the case, including microphones, cables, etc. The case also comes with the butterfly locks on the front, so we can close the case up and use the butterfly locks to keep the case closed and secure. There's even these holes on the side so we can run padlocks, which would keep from anyone getting into your case. On the bottom of the case are rubber feet so we can place it on any surface when setting up or charging our lights. And when we're all ready to go, we have the handle on top of the case for easy transport, just like a suitcase. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your Mini RF1 charge package. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.